Welcome back to Mud, Mods and Beers. It's excitement day. We're getting new tires on the Cruiser finally. I've been procrastinating forever on these. We're here at Budget Tire Outlet in Tingalpa, and Jason and the team are fitting up some brand new 35 Maxxis Muddies on the Cruiser for us, and yeah, they're getting stuck in as we speak. So one of the reasons I wanted to go 35, one of the nemesis with the Achilles heel, I suppose you would say, with the 79 is the leafs are underneath the axle, which means the only real way of getting the leafs up out of the mud is to put a thicker tire on. Raising it all the inches in the world won't make that clearance any better underneath the leaf springs, which is right in here. So right underneath there is, there's no way of making that taller without actually putting thicker tires on, which is why I'm putting 35s, and it's mainly for the Cape trip that we're going on because of all the water crossings we're going to do. I really wanted to get myself up out of the water as much as possible and give as much ground clearance underneath those springs. After the Cape, will I keep the 35s on? Not sure. I'll see how they go on the road until then, but that was kind of the main reason to go 35s. Why did we go Maxxis? Well, I think they're a really good tire. I've done a lot of research. I wanted something that was good on the road but really good off-road. I went Muddies more than all-terrains, again because of the Cape trip, because we are going to be going through some pretty extreme tracks up there. Andy's gone for the same tire, so when we go away we're going to have 12 wheels between the two cars, so hopefully we shouldn't get 4 punctures in a month. Well, we might, but we'll hopefully be able to fix anything else that we get. So that's what's happening. So these are the old ones that have come off the Cruiser, and these are the new ones. Look at the difference in the size of these two. So these were 305 70 16s, and these are 315 75 16s, so a bit wider, a bit taller. So we're here with Jason, who's the manager at Budget Tire Outlet here in Tingalpa. Jason's the one who kind of steered me in the direction of the Maxxis Muddies. Jason, so why did we go Maxxis?
Maxxis, 2 reasons. One, very durable, and then the other reason was availability. You know, when you're out going to the Cape, what you're going to do. Yeah. So, you know, if you run into troubles and destroy a tyre, something that the opportunity to get another tyre is definitely going to be there, you know. So, I personally believe it's one of the biggest brands in the four-wheel drive market now, and you know, we're having really, really good results with it. So.
The ROH wheels, which were your advice too, they look sensational.
Yeah, they look awesome. Yeah, they're unreal. Yeah, so.
Very pleased with the truck, mate. Thank you again. Awesome. Amazing service. Get here and buy tyres and wheels. So we're on the road. First impressions, it looks like it's very close to rubbing, but I can't hear any rubbing at full lock. There's definitely, it's miles away when it's not at full lock, but it turns so much nicer. The steering wheel's light. We'll get out onto the main road here, where we'll get onto an 80k zone. I want to see what the road noise is like compared to the old BFG Muddies that we had on. You can feel the weight of the wheels is heavier. The gears are definitely not massively different, but you can feel them a little bit different. It used to shake at around about 80k. We used to get a little wobble in the wheels in between about 80 and 100, and then it would smooth off again. So that's us sitting at, I'll use the GPS, 80 now. No shake. Happy with that. Road noise, a bit better. You still know they're Muddies. That's all right. Very happy so far. The fact that it feels really light turning has really impressed me. That's really good. All right, so that is the 35-inch Maxxis RAZR mud terrains fitted to the Cruiser. So obviously we're not on the dirt yet, but as soon as I can possibly get them off-road and onto the dirt, I will, and we'll report back with a bit of a review in the future. But so far so good. No scrubbing, look good, feel good, and hopefully will last a long time. So thanks again for watching. Please do remember to subscribe. I'm in the wrong gear, and we'll see you next time.